The Mercedes G580 is a bold new chapter in the iconic G-Class legacy, combining rugged off-road heritage with advanced electric innovation. As the first all-electric G-Wagon, the G580 with EQ technology retains the unmistakable boxy design and commanding presence that made the G-Class a legend, while introducing a powerful, silent, and sustainable driving experience. Finished in a deep black, the G580 stands tall and confident in any environment. From its upright stance and flared wheel arches to the LED headlights and signature spare wheel mounted on the rear, every element reflects the G-Class DNA with a modern, electrified twist. Underneath its classic exterior lies a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain. The G580 is powered by 4 electric motors, one at each wheel, delivering a combined output of 579 horsepower and over 850 Newton-meters of torque. This unique setup allows for exceptional off-road capability with features like individual wheel torque control, enabling the vehicle to conquer steep inclines, deep water, and rocky terrain with ease. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 4.5 seconds, proving that electric can be both powerful and thrilling. The battery pack is integrated into the ladder frame chassis, offering durability and optimal weight distribution without compromising the vehicle's rugged nature. Inside the G580, the cabin blends classic luxury with futuristic technology. Rich leather upholstery, wood and metal trim, and customizable ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The widescreen MBUX display spans the dashboard, integrating digital gauges with infotainment controls and a seamless and intuitive layout. The iconic passenger grab handle remains a reminder of the vehicle's adventurous spirit. Comfortable seating for 5, with ample cargo space and refined noise insulation, makes every journey a first-class experience. Technology and connectivity are at the forefront of the G580's appeal. It features the latest version of Mercedes' voice-controlled MBUX system, advanced navigation with electric route planning, and a surround sound audio system for immersive entertainment. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for complete awareness on and off the road. The Mercedes G580 is more than just an electric SUV. It is a symbol of evolution. It honors tradition while embracing the future, offering iconic design, unbeatable capability, and cutting-edge electric performance in one extraordinary package.